Girls, it's that time of the year where we're getting rid of winter boots and stocking up on summer footwear.
We have got just the brand for you.
We were recently invited to an exclusive event with Dykeman.
We got a sneak preview of Dykeman's new spring-summer collection.
Of course, we just had to wear some of the new collection, so here's our shoes that we picked for this evening.
The event was hosted in a stunning location in London.
We were so excited to get into the venue and check out all the spring-summer styles.
And if you haven't heard about Dykeman, they are so affordable, girls. These styles are perfect for your spring-summer wardrobe.
We thought we'd show you just a few snippets of our favourite pieces. Ballet pumps are a big trend right now, and how gorgeous is this blue colour for spring?
After we previewed the gorgeous collection, we then sat down and mingled with all the other creators.
Food was absolutely delicious, girls, and there was loads of interactive activities on the table, which was super fun too.
So make sure you check out your local store or head onto their website to browse now.
Girls, you may have heard us talk about Lavelle before. We absolutely love the brand.
Well, they've just brought out their new revitalised collection and it is gorgeous.
If you're looking for a base that you can pair with any jacket for everyday styling, then this is the one for you.
We both ordered our sets in midnight black,
as this is a colour that you just can't go wrong with.
The new sports bra is super supportive.
It has adjustable straps
and removable cups.
We also picked up the new flared revitalised leggings which match the bralette.
The best thing about these leggings is they're also available in petite and tall sizes.
So here's us trying them on. We went for our usual sizes, size 6 and 22.
And from all angles you can see how nice the fit is.
So we've paired it with our new Aztec print jacket
for a super casual and cosy outfit.
We've then paired it with trainers and a little black bag, and voila, this is the finished look.
Thank you.